In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect your wallet to dYdX. To begin, visit the official dYdX website. On the homepage, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. A window will appear displaying the wallets supported by dYdX. Depending on your device and preferences, you'll see several available wallet options. Select the wallet you want to use. In this video, we will use MetaMask. If you're using a browser wallet, your wallet extension will open automatically. Review the connection request carefully to confirm that you're connecting to the correct website. When you're ready, click Connect to approve the connection. Then dYdX will generate your chain wallet. Press Send Request button to continue. Your wallet extension will open automatically, confirming for dYdX request. You just need to press the Confirm button again. After approving the request, return to the dYdX website. Within a few moments, your wallet address should appear in the top right corner of the page, indicating that your wallet has been successfully connected. If the connection doesn't work immediately, refresh the page and make sure your wallet extension or app is unlocked. It's also a good idea to verify that you're using a wallet supported by dYdX and that you've approved all required connection requests. And that's how to connect your wallet to dYdX.